Alright, let me show you guys a little bit of a trick that I use to cut my metal this way. I don't like using the nibblers. If you can hide it behind a corner and stuff, it doesn't really matter, but if you got cuts by windows, it tends to not look as great. I use these blades. They're Lennox gold tips. They have a gold bottom here. They seem to work really good for scoring metal, breaking it, because they don't break off, so you can go a long time with it. Regular blades won't do that, so I'm going to go ahead and score this. If you get a really good score, it'll snap real easy and quick, and it's straight. So, right here's my cut. And it drags really hard because it's gripping in there. Like the other blades will just kind of glide over the top. Just like that. Nice, clean. You gotta be kind of careful when you lay it on the other sheets. Don't let it slide and scrape or scratch. Or if you only got a piece or two, you can buckle it by kneeling on it. Just gotta be very careful, know what you can do with it. But yeah, that's how I did it. It's pretty quick and easy.